While most emails do not contain private or sensitive information, many do, and they need to be encrypted to remain private, preventing data breaches and enabling compliance with privacy laws. That's why email encryption is built into RMail's all-in-one email service. Sending an encrypted email with RMail is extremely easy and requires nothing on the receiver's end. You compose a message like any other, add any attachments, click the Send Registered button, choose Encrypt and send. Your recipient will receive the encrypted email with the encrypted attachments delivered directly to their inbox. Other encryption services make the recipient register for an account on their website. This forces your recipient to leave their inbox to log in and wait for large data transfers to complete before they can access your email. With RMail, there are no such hassles. RMail's encryption is the fastest and easiest way to send secure private emails, and the only encryption service that also certifies encrypted delivery. This provides you with the needed auditable evidence which you will need in cases of data breach and to prove compliance with privacy laws such as HIPAA and other regulatory requirements. Easy to send, easy to receive, easy to prove. Empower your email with RMail.